Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use video effect as transition in CapCut PC. Alright, you can create something new in CapCut, for example by using a video effect as a transition, which I'll show you now. So how to, you can add a few images or videos and go to effect, select effect you like to add to the clip as a transition. For example, yeah, I'm going to select the the astral effect and go to track, make it shorter, and then place it and make sure just on top between the clip. You can see for the result. Alright, so just copy paste and then place it on top between the other clip like so. So this is the final result. Alright, so it's pretty simple. That's how to use video effect as transition in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.